All right, folks, today is our first step into Unit 3, and our Unit 3 essential question is, what ethical and cultural considerations need to be considered when making technological advancements? So today we're going to begin looking at what is this idea of ethical practices. And for that, we are going to start by learning the distinctions between ethics and morals. We've already sort of looked at morals with our last unit. We're going to research a well-known ethical issue in either the medical or business field, and then we'll use that information. We're going to go to pictochart.com and create an infographic that demonstrates just what exactly you've learned. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to watch this short video on the difference between ethics and morality. Once you've gotten done with that, I want you to turn to your group and I want you to talk about what you saw as the distinctions between ethics and morality. Once we've had that discussion, our second step is that you're going to use whatever your favorite search engine. I usually use Google, but you can use whatever you want. You're going to search famous medical, business, scientific, ethical cases. You're out there looking for things where it has become well known that something usually unethical happened. This means that you're going to need to read that information, right? So this assignment isn't about looking at pictures. It's not about watching videos. It's about going out there and reading some information about this ethical case. So once you've found what you're interested in, I want you to use this document that you can see right here. I've put this in Schoology for you. I want you to go and access it in Schoology. Go ahead and open that up. And then you can put the information that you find here. So what you're going to add here is we're going to find when did it take place, where did this ethical issue take place. We're going to find out who was in charge. Was it a doctor? Was it a business? Was it one particular person? We're going to find out who was negatively affected. If more than one, how many people? What was the negative effect of this ethical practice? And then how was it unethical? So once you've gathered all that information, you're going to create an infographic based upon your findings. An infographic is a visual image that uses visuals and words to represent information or data. I've provided you with a link that you can follow here to several really cool models that you can follow. And notice how each one combines images and text to communicate that information. Here are two that I found that I really liked. I liked how they were colorful. I like this one because it has the various people and the various roles that they're talking about. I like this one because it's just kind of funny and it's bright and colorful, and it doesn't really communicate any important information, but the fact that it is an infographic and it's kind of fun is neat. So once you have looked at that, I want you to watch this video right here, and that video is going to help you to familiarize yourself with Pictochart, how it works. Then once you've watched this video, you're going to go to Pictochart, create yourself an account. Once you've got that accounted, you're going to create an infographic, and then once you have the infographic created, then I've provided you with a video on how to submit your infographic to Schoology so that we can produce it and we can share it out, and then also you can get your grade. So this is going to be our first step. This is going to be the first thing that we do before we get into the actual texts, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun.